अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपं कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकं। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरो श्रीयुतपदकमलं श्रीगुरोन् वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सगणरघुनाथनीतं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधाकृष्णपादं सगणललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितांश्च। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधो जगत्पति गोपेशो गोपिकाकान्तो राधाकान्तो नमस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानु सुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येवश्च पतितानं पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमो। नमो महावदान्याय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतुयसे नमो। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैतो गदाधरो श्रीवासादि गौरभक्त वृंद। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैतो गदाधरो श्रीवासादि गौरभक्त वृंद। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण आनंद लीलामय विग्रहाय हेमावदिव्य छवि सुंदराय तस्मै महाप्रेम रस प्रदाय श्री चैतन्य चंद्राय नमो नमस्ते। चैतन्य चंद्राय नमो नमस्ते। चैतन्य चंद्राय नमो नमस्ते। चैतन्य चंद्राय नमः। I am very happy to come here to meet you all, dear devotees of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And I hope that I'll be much benefited by your association. And I also thank you all and the host who has hosted that given us this opportunity to do some Hari Sankirtan. And you know, I think, I hope, all of you know, Hari Sankirtan wants to do what is the need and utility of Hari Sankirtan. All of you know it, I think. Jathagadam virjatam upajuktam jadrutya adanato mahimanapti urjyan mantropi udahita. Isn't it? Follow me? Jathagadam virjatam upajuktam jadrutya adanato mahimanopi kurjyan mantropi udahita. Sixth canto of Bhagavatam says this thing. Gada means medicine. Doctor who is medicine specialist or doctor knows the science of medicine. He knows what this tablet contains. Medicine. We don't know. Patient doesn't know. Layman doesn't know. Isn't it? But it doesn't depend upon his knowing and not knowing. If he devours that tablet, the tablet, it gets effect, isn't it? It doesn't depend on the knowing and not knowing. You understand? Similarly, mantropi udahruta. This Harinam, the holy name of the Lord. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama. It's so potent. You understand? It doesn't depend upon one's knowledge or not knowledge of it. Sodhayava Helayava Bhrugavara Naramatro Taro iti Krishna Nam. If someone chants Hare Krishna, Radha or Hela, with the faith, with knowing its tattva, nam tattva, but not knowing, it gets its effect. It has its effect. Sodhayava Helayava Bhrugavara Naramatro Taro iti Krishna Nam. You understand? This Krishna Nam, name of Krishna, will deliver the body. You understand? So, Mahaprabhu came, Sriman Mahaprabhu came in this Kali Yuga. So, started Hari Sankirtan because Kali Yuga Dharma hoy Nam Sankirtana. Etadarthe avatirna Sri Sati Nandana. Kali Yuga Dharma is Nam Sankirtana. Hare Nam, Hare Nam, Hare Nameva Kevalam. Kalau Nastriva, Gatiranyatha. Shastra says, Veda says, Kalisantana Upanishad says, Bharatanaradiya Purana says, Hare Nam, Hare Nameva Kevalam. Kalau Nastriva, Gatiranyatha. In Kali Yuga there is no other way. Three times stressed upon it. Hare Nameva Kevalam, only Harinam. One should take shelter of Harinam, complete shelter of Harinam. Because in Kali Yuga, Namarupi Krishna avatar. Kali Yuga Namarupi Krishna avatar. Nam hoite hoy sarvo jagato nistar. Nam vina kolikale nahi aro dharma. Sarva Shastra Marma. This Sarva Shastra Marma. All Vedic literature says so. In Kali Yuga, there is no other thing. Hare Nama, Eva Kevalam. And Krishna has descended himself in the form of his holy name. Kali Yuga Nama Rupe Krishna avatar. No other incarnation is there in Kali Yuga. Is name incarnation. As all Shastras say, all Acharyas say, there is no Shastra Tattva. You understand? There is a developed Shastra Chakshu. There is no this Tattva. They are devotees of Krishna. They are devotees of Mahaprabhu. They all speak so, isn't it? And we have to accept it. Mahajana Jena Gapasabantha. We should accept it. Mahajana is sadhu. You understand? Mahajana means sadhu, who is completely surrendered soul. Completely surrendered unto the lotus feet of Krishna. Completely surrendered unto holy name of Krishna. He is sadhu. He is sadhu. He is Mahajana. We have to accept him. What he says, we have to put faith in it. Mahajana. We should not put faith on the words of a bogus person, foolish person. He may be very, very great in this material world, the material leader, political leader, great philosopher, great scientist, great philanthropic person. Isn't it? Very philanthropic. Always busy in serving people like Mother Teresa. Isn't it? Who has gotten Nobel Award, very great, historical famous person. Do you understand? Not a completely surrendered soul, not a sadhu, not Mahajan. We should not put faith in his words or her words. People of words of such people, isn't it? Do you follow me? Mahadana Jena Gata Sapanta. You must follow the footprints. Mahadana. Mahadana means a completely surrendered soul. Completely surrendered unto the lotus feet of Krishna. Completely surrendered unto the holy name of Krishna. Sadhu. Who has dedicated his life, everything, for preaching this glory of holy name throughout the world. You understand? Preaching the message of Krishna, Gauranga, Guru and Gauranga throughout the world. Dedicated his life. Really engaged in doing good to others. That's the real paropakar. You understand? We say paropakar, doing good to others. What is the real paropakar? You understand? Everybody wants, yes, let me do some good to others. What is the real good? You understand? Some organizations are there. Those who are feeding the poor, feeding the hungry. Yes, hungry people, feed them. Doing good, paropakar, isn't it? Do you understand? And quenching the thirst of the thirsty people. And some places drinking water is available. Take it. Do you understand? Some have opened these charitable dispensaries, hospitals, for the treatment of the diseased persons, patients. Yes, doing good. Isn't it? Some have opened free education centers. Free education center. Free education will be imparted. Isn't it? Yes, doing good. Isn't it? But what is really real good? Feeding the hungry. Do you understand? And offering free treatment to the peasants. Do you understand? Like this. This is doing good, but it's good to the body. Metal body, isn't it? Metal body is temporary. Jatasya dhruva mrityu. Death is sure. Any moment it may come. And as soon as the body finished, everything finished. So again, someone gets another metal body. Again, hunger is there. How long can you feed a hungry people? How many lives you will feed? Below? How many lives you will feed? Lots lives, one after another, metal body one gets. So hunger is there, thirst is there, disease is there, isn't it? Ignorance is there. Isn't it? Follow my language? Yes, this is doing good, but this is temporary. This is not eternal. Do you understand? This is doing good to the body or mind. Body or mind. But who is doing good for the soul? Your soul. Do you understand? Who's doing good for this soul. Who has dedicated his life, huh? To preach this message of Guru and Gaura. Huh? To spread holy name of the Lord. Do you understand? ভারত ভূমিতে মনুষ্য জন্ম হইলা যার জন্ম সার্থক করি করো পরোপকার. Mahaprabhu says this thing, huh? One who is born a human being in Bharat Bhumi, in India, he should first make his life perfect. Janma sarthaka. Then he should do good to others. What does Mahaprabhu say and what does it say? Purport in it. तात्पर्य क्या है? Huh? What is the purport in it? Huh? To make one's life perfect, what does it mean? Huh? Huh? To make one's life perfect, what does it mean? Huh? What is the perfect life? To develop complete Krishna consciousness. You understand? Complete Krishna consciousness. 100% Krishna consciousness. Not 50% or 60%. Or 25%. Or 0%, no percentage. To develop complete Krishna consciousness. That is the perfection of human birth. Huh? Complete Krishna consciousness. Do you understand? We have 5 levels of consciousness. 5 levels of. Do you know? Huh? 5 levels of consciousness. Abruta Chetana, Sankutita Chetana, Mukulita Chetana, Vikachita Chetana, Purna Vikachita Chetana. In English, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Mahadana. Bhaktivinoda Thakur has said this thing in Chaitanya Sikkhamrita. In English, we may put it in this way: covered consciousness, shrunken consciousness, budding consciousness, blossoming consciousness, completely blossoming consciousness. That's the highest level of consciousness. Purna Vikachita Chetana. Completely blossoming consciousness. In other words, we say completely Krishna consciousness. Do you understand? That the highest level of consciousness. One is this highest level of consciousness. Completely Krishna consciousness. He is sadhu. Do you understand? He is sadhu. He is Mahadana. Do you understand? Complete Krishna. He sees everything in relation to Krishna. Aham sarvasya prabhava matta sarvam pravartate iti mattva bhajante mak buddha bhava samanvita. Krishna says, Bhagavad Gita. Aham sarvasya prabhava matta sarvam pravartate iti mattva bhajante mak buddha bhava samanvita. I am the source of all emanations. Everything has emanated from me. That means everything is related to Krishna. Whatever you see here, whatever you find here, everything, everybody is related to Krishna. It's only one relationship, that is relationship with Krishna. Is there any other relationship? Huh? Bolo! Bolo! No! Only one relationship. The relationship with Krishna. Everybody, everything is related to Krishna. One who sees this thing. Do you understand? Only one relationship. He has developed completely blossoming consciousness, completely Krishna consciousness. Everything he sees in relation with Krishna. Do you understand? And he does Krishna bhajan. Iti mattva bhajante mang buddha bhava samannita. He's a real learned person. He's a real Buddha, he's a real learned. Who sees everything is related to Krishna. Everybody is related. See, everything in relations with Krishna. He does Krishna bhajan in that mood. This mood of love. Do you understand? Yes, mood of love. He is sadhu. He is Mahajan. He has purified vision. Do you understand? Pure vision, not this defective vision. He is free from 4 defects: Brahma, Pramada, Vipralipsa, Karnapatava. Do you understand? Conditioned soul has 4 defects. Do you know it? Brahma, Pramada, Vipralipsa, Karana Padava. You know it? What does it mean? What do you speak in English?
Bad senses, faulty senses.
Defective senses. That is Karana Padava. Yes, then Brahma, illusion. Maya, do you understand? Maya presents real as unreal, unreal as real. Huh? Happiness as distress, distress as happiness. Do you understand? Pleasure as displeasure, displeasure as pleasure. Shelter as non-shelter, not shelter as shelter. Maya presents. And one who is under grip of Maya, he accepts distress as happiness, happiness as distress. Shelter as not shelter, not shelter as shelter. Do you understand? Krishna, lotus feet of Krishna is the only shelter. Association of sadhu is the only shelter. But such a person never accepts it. He accepts Maya is the shelter, not shelter as shelter. Do you understand? Builder souls, ahankar vimudatma. He thinks himself that I am the proprietor, I am the enjoyer. Do you understand? Krishna is the only proprietor, Krishna is the only enjoyer. But one who is under complete grip of Maya, he cannot think so. Do you understand? He doesn't think so. He's builder soul. Do you understand? His consciousness is very low. So we should not listen to him. We should not put faith in his words. Do you understand? Huh? He may be very great leader. Do you understand? Huh? Very great leader, political leader, a great scientist, great philosopher. Isn't it? Maybe whatever in material point of view, material calculation, material consideration, may be very great. Materially may be very intelligent. Do you understand? Material intelligence means impure intelligence. Avisuddha buddhaya. Huh? Do you understand? He said, oh, I have gotten support, vote from millions of people. I'm a great leader. Huh? This vote, giving vote, gonna vote. Huh? Isn't it? Stamp it. Yes. Mr. Arthur. Stamp. 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 The Mr. Arthur is elected as president. Oh, gotten so much vote. Huh? Majority vote. Gonna vote. Huh? Do you follow my language? Huh? This is going on, isn't it? In this material world, and people accept it. Yes. Yes, yes, that was majority vote. So many millions of people support him. He is great leader. Whatever he says, we accept. It is foolishness. Foolishness. Andha dukhandha. Huh? Niyamananda. A blind man leads other blind man. A blind man leads other blind man. And all of them will fall into a ditch. Isn't he a blind man? Isn't it? We never accept this thing. We Vaishnavas never accept. This thing doesn't apply in this sphere of paramarthika patha, what do you say? Sphere of spiritualism and sphere of bhakti. Do you understand? Doesn't apply this thing. One who follows this thing, he is murkha. He is a great murkha. Do you follow my word, murkha? Huh? A fool, great fool. He must fall into a ditch. Do you understand? We follow a real sadhu, completely surrender unto the lotus feet of Krishna, and the holy name, has dedicated his life for this propagating message of Guru and Gauranga and the holy name. Do you understand? A pure sadhu we follow. His vision is not the vision of a conditioned soul. He has no fault. He is free from these 4 defects. Do you understand? He is free from 4 defects. He sees correctly. He thinks correctly because he is constantly attached to Krishna. Huh? Tesang tattajuktanang bhadatang pritipurvakam dadami buddhi yogam tam jena mangupadanti che. Krishna says in 10th chapter Bhagavad Gita. Tesang tattajuktanang bhadatang pritipurvakam dadami buddhi yogam tam jena mangupadanti che. One who is constantly attached to me, every moment. Do you understand? Do you understand? No deviation, without deviation, constantly attached to me, every moment attached to me. Bhadatang pritipurvakam. And doing my bhajan with love, pritipurvakam. Dadami buddhi yogam tam jena mangapadam. I give him intelligence. I give him intelligence. That is pure intelligence. Comes from Krishna. Huh? Thereby, he will come to me. Huh? Mangupadanti will come to me. Goal is Krishna. We have to go to Krishna. At least Krishna, get Krishna. Do you understand? But constantly attached and doing bhajan with love. Krishna gives him intelligence. So his intelligence is pure intelligence. The hyper great. A materialistic person may be in material sphere, elevated, very intelligent. Do you understand? Is impure intelligence. That's impure intelligence. We should not put faith in it. If you put faith, you'll be doomed. You understand? So there is no such question here in the sphere of spiritualism. Do you understand? Sphere of bhakti platform of accepting Gana vote. Do you know what you say in English? Democracy. Gana vote. Do you understand? Majority people voting. And what he says, leader, no such thing. This is foolishness. Do you understand? This foolishness. This won't apply here. One king was there. He was digging a pond, very big pond tank. Huh? You understand? 30 people will get water. He thought of, no, I'll order all the milkmen, cow or milkmen in my kingdom. They will pour milk in this pond. This whole pond will fill with milk. People will get milk. Why water? Huh? Do you follow me? My point. Huh? I am king. Millions of milkmen are here in my kingdom. So I order him proclaimed. He should order. All milkmen should pour their milk in this pond. This pond will be filled with milk. All my citizens, prajas, will get milk. They will never drink water. They will get milk. Do you understand? So, allied king says, we are under him. If you don't follow him, inflict punishment, cut off our head. You understand? So one milkman was there who thought of allied. All will pour milk. If I pour water, the king cannot run. What do you say? Figure it out. Because all will pour milk and only I will pour water. Then I will be benefited. I will never be cheated. And Raja cannot also catch me. Figure it out. He thought of like that. Anyhow, somehow or other, he spoke his intimate friend. I am thinking of this thing. I am thinking of this thing. Then his friend, oh, very nice thought. I also do like that. Then it spread. The whole milkman, instead of pouring milk, they all poured water. They all poured water. The king's mouth is filled with water, not milk. Do you follow me? This is gone on board. Yes. Yes, he's doing like that. I do like that. Huh? Another story was there. One washerman was there. He had a donkey, ass. Do you understand? Generally, washermen have donkeys too, asses. Because donkey carries very heavy load, burden, beast of burden, isn't it? So washermen put very heavy burden of dirty clothes on him. Do you understand? And donkey carries. So that donkey served that washerman his life long. At last he died. He died, grew old and died. Wasman thought of, oh, and he had put his name Sunanda Gandharva. Name was Sunanda Gandharva. He had put his name. So he died. So he thought of, oh, Sunanda Gandharva died today. So what shall I do? He served me lifelong. He died today. Light and safe, and I have a deep in holy water. So he shaved his head and had a deep in the holy water. And he was the washerman of the king. He washed king's clothes. So the priest of the king saw him. The washerman Dhobi had shaved his head. Oh, washerman Dhobi, why have you shaved your head? Don't you know? Sunanda Gandharva died today. Yes, very auspicious day. Is it? Oh, yes. Is it? Oh, yes. So let me shave head and, oh, yes, you do. Yes, you do. So priest of the king shaved his head in the holy water. Then chief minister of the king saw the priest had shaved his head. Asked, oh, priest, what happened to your head? Don't you know? Sunanda Gandharva died today. A very auspicious day. So I have shaved my head. So I shall do it. Oh, yes, do it. Very auspicious day, you shave your head. And nobody, oh, chief minister shaved his head. And already the king thought, chief minister has shaved his head. Oh, chief minister, what happened? Oh, king, don't you know? Sunanda Gandharva died today. It's very auspicious day, so I have said, oh, is it? So I'll do. Oh, yeah, you do. He said, the king said, he said. Then queen saw the king saved his head. Then, oh, what happened? You saved his head. Oh, don't you know, my dear queen? The Sunanda Gandharva died today. Very auspicious. You said your what? Gandharva. Who said this thing? Oh, chief minister. Call that chief minister. Oh, chief minister. You have saved head. And you told our king to save head. He has saved head. Who is that Sunanda Gandharva? Huh? How do you know that? Oh, priest said, priest. You call that priest? The priest was called for. Oh, priest. Yes, you have saved head. Oh, who is that Sunanda Gandharva? How do you know? Oh, Dhobi said, what? Then Wasserman was called for. Hey, Wasserman, with that Sunanda Gandharva died today and you saved head and all of told him that they have said, oh, King Marima, I had a donkey. Sunanda Gandharva. I had a dog. His name was Sunanda. He died today. Allah. A donkey died today. Wasserman donkey. They were saying it. This is God about. Do you understand my point? Huh? Taking majority people are accepting. It's blind, foolish people. The queen said, do you see? Huh? A donkey died. A washerman donkey died. And you are all saying and falling and just putting faith in the words of a washerman. Huh? Is Sudra less than Sudra who cleans the dirty clothes? Huh? Do you understand? You believe. You put faith. Such fools you are. Huh? So this question is like, how we should believe? In whose words we should put faith? This material world, material sphere, very dangerous. Pade pade vipadam. If you stay, there is danger, full of problems. It's illusory world. Maika Jagat, illusory world, manifestation, illusory energy of the Lord. And illusory energy, Maya, I say, presents, puts forth real as unreal, false as truth, truth as false. Do you understand? Falsehood. Distress as happiness, happiness as distress. Shelter as not shelter, not shelter as shelter. And people are accepting because they are under complete grip of illusory knowledge, thinking themselves very great, very learned, very wise. But they're number one fools. Do you understand? They don't accept what a sadhu says. Do you understand? What a sadhu says, what Mahatma says. They don't accept it. They don't believe in it. They don't put faith in it. Do you understand? So this is not applicable in this spiritual platform, this Gana board. One should be very, very careful. Because something is going on. Or don't you know? It says, Shastra says, Kali Yuge Nama Rupe Krishna Avatar, Nama Hoite Hoi Sarvo Jagata Nistar, Nama Vina Kali Kale Nayaro Dharma, Sarva Mantra Saro Nama Yei Shastra Marma. Shastra says, Tasma Shastra Pramanam Karja Karja Vivasthito, Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita. You should accept Shastra Praman, Vedic proof, Shruti Praman, Vedic proof. What Vedic literature says. Do you understand? Shastra Praman. Accordingly, you should consider, take decision, what to be done, what not to be done. But Shastra, according to Shastric evidence. Do you understand? So then this question comes up, the Pramana Tattva. What is Pramana Tattva? That's Tattva in evidence, proof. There are four Pramana Chatushta, four types of proofs. Srimad Bhagavatam says, four types of proof. What are those? Do you know? Does anybody know? Four types of proof. You know?
Historical evidence,
Yes,
sense perception.
yes.
Last one is Shabda Brahma. The third one,
Use proof three, then fourth. Last one is Sabda Brahma. What is third one? Anumana. You understand? Anumana, Aitya, Pratakya, and Shruti Pramana. You understand? Srimad Bhagavatam says, Pramana Chatushta, four types of evidences, proofs. One is Anumana. That means imagination or speculation. Do you understand? Saying like that. Those who are Mayavadis, impersonalists, do you understand? Those who follow the path of Gyan, Mukti, do you understand? Speculators. They don't hear. They don't come under this hearing process. Do you follow? They speculate. They try to understand this supreme truth, absolute truth, by dint of their speculation, by their thought process. Do you understand? They follow or adopt the process of this ascending process. We have two processes. One is ascending process, another is descending process. Do you follow me? Ascending process and descending process. Our path, Vaishnava, descending process, not ascending process. It descends. Do you understand? The Sabda Brahma descends, comes through disciplic succession by hearing process. Srauta Paramparjya, Sisya, disciple should hear from the Acharya, Guru. That is Acharya, who is Acharya? He was also disciple of Acharya. He had heard from his Acharya. That Acharya has heard from his Acharya. Like this Acharya is succession, disciplic succession. We say Guru Parampara. Do you understand? This is descending process, hearing process, Sauta Paramparja we say. But they don't hear. They speculate, they meditate. And they say, all right, in my meditation I can understand this thing, this and this. It's the Anumana. Anumana. Do you follow? And example you find in this Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. First he was a speculator, following the Shankaracharya. Do you understand? Shankarites. And great learned scholar, Brahaspati Avatar, incarnation of Brahaspati, such a scholar up till now is not available. Do you understand? And he was Grihastha, still teaching sannyasis. He was very proud, puffed up. Do you follow? So when Mahaprabhu went there to Puri, Jagannath Puri, he couldn't understand as Mahaprabhu as Supreme Personality of Godhead. Do you understand? But his brother-in-law, Gopinath Acharya, was a devotee, he knows it. He tried his best to convince him that he is Supreme Personality. He said, wow, how to say, how to say? His students are there. They said, what proof? He says, Shastra Praman. What Shastra says? Sadhu say, Mahadana say, Acharyas have said. Many Shastric proofs are there. He quoted Shastra. Yes, in Shastra also, all right, you speak Bhagavad, in Bhagavad 7th canto it is said, Sri Jugaka. Supreme Personality of Godhead comes in 3 Jugas. Satya, Treta, Dwapar. He doesn't come in Kali. How to say is Bhagavan. He puts also Shastra also. Yes, they are very expert. They are very expert. Those my Babis, the great scholars, Vedantis, they think we are Vedantis. We know Vedanta. Nobody knows. As we know. And they twist, they make word jugglery. Do you understand? Word jugglery. Word jugglery. Prabhupada has said word jugglery. And innocent people, they don't know it. They think, yes, they are Mahajanas, they are sadhus. Yes, that is so. Do you understand? We accept. But they are not really Mahajanas. They are not surrendered at all. They are not devotees at all. Who says, I am Bhagavan, is a devotee? Is a rascal. My Guru Maharaj says, beat him with the sword. Beat him with the sword. Those rascals should beat him. He says, I am Bhagavan. Nonsense. And people accept it, yes. Oh, many people, thousand people accept him as Bhagavan. Satya Sai Baba Bhagavan. Yes. How to say there is no avatar in Kali Yuga? Only name incarnation. Yes, Satya Sai Baba Bhagavan. Thousand people are his followers. They say that means Ganabot. Is it determined by Ganabot? 1,000 people accept him Bhagavan, so it is Bhagavan. No such thing is there in this. Here, do you understand? This is complete foolishness, complete cheating, complete foolishness. These people don't want. Do you understand? If you follow this path, these people want to suppress the truth. Who is that Krishna? Why I am Bhagavan, I am Bhagavan. Do you understand? This absolute truth, supreme truth, they want to suppress. If you support this process of accepting God about majority, what majority say, then falsehood side will be victorious, truth side will be defeated. Because majority say is Bhagavan. This Sai Baba is Bhagavan. Thousand people say so. Who says I am Bhagavan? It's rascal. So the one who is wise is should not do it because it's not applicable in this path of spirituality. Do you understand Paramarthika Marga? Do you understand me? One should be wise enough. Do you understand? And Krishna gives the intelligence, pure intelligence. Tesang sattva-diptanang bhadatam pritipurvakam dadami buddhi yogam tonjena mang padanti. One who is completely surrendered to me, doing my bhajan with love, constantly attached to me, I give him intelligence. Do you understand? Pure intelligence. They never speculate. Those Mahajanas, those devotees, they never speculate. They follow the Shastra. They follow the previous acharyas. What the Mahajanas have said. They never speculate. So I am telling that thing, that his students were there. Students of Sarvabhaumacharya. They say, hey, Anumana Pramana. The Anumana Pramana. Anumana, Aitiha Pratakya, Sruti Pramana. Anumana Pramana. But Gopinath says, no, Anumana Pramana, no, hey. That's not problem. Different people have different Anumanas. Isn't it? One will say, oh, I think so. It's like that. No, I think so. In my consideration or thinking, it is like that. Isn't it? How will it be one? Truth is one. Is not more than one. Absolute truth is one. One without second. Ekameva dityo nasti. Huh? No second. How will it be different and different and different? Do you understand? And they have this logic. Parvatam Vanniman Dhumat. They have this logic. Nyaya. Parvatam Vanniman Dhumat. That means from a distance you look at a hill, how it looks. It looks as if it is covered with smoke. Isn't it? Isn't it? Huh? Isn't it? So this is logic. Where there is smoke, there is fire. Huh? So there must be fire. This is Anuman. This is speculation. Yes, this is logic. Where there is smoke, there is fire. So the hill looks, it's covered up with smoke. So there must be fire. Go and see with this fire. This is their logic. Anuman Pramana. No, hey! Do you follow? Again also they know Shastra, they put Shastra. They quote Shastra. It's a three Yuga. The Supreme Lord incarnates himself in three Yugas. Satya, Treta, Dwapar. Huh? Never comes in Kali. How do you say that he is Bhagavan? Do you follow me? Mahaprabhu. But Gopinath Acharya says, you are such a great scholar. You Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. You are such a great scholar, you know. Don't you know what does it really mean? Trijuga. Trijuga means Supreme Lord's Lila Avatar. Do you understand? There is no Lila Avatar in Kali Yuga. But Yuga Avatar is there. Huh? Trijuga means there is no Lila Avatar in Kali Yuga. Huh? But Yuga Avatar there. Huh? How to say, how to interpret it? You should understand in Tattva. It's not literally meaning. Huh? So Vedic proof is the chief proof, but that one there is one danger in it. What is that? It has two sides. What is Lakshana, Vyanjana, or chief and secondary, Mukhya, Gauna. Do you follow my language? Chief and secondary. As for example, this is Narada. This Mayavadis, impersonalists. They are very learned. They know Shastra. And they juggle. They create word jugglery and confuse people. Narada. Narada means, they explain that Na means no, Rada means teeth. One who has no teeth, he is Narada. A teethless person is Narada. They interpret in that way. So a teethless person is the Narada. But that doesn't mean Narada. Narada is son of Brahma. That is chief meaning of Narada. a great devotee, always with the veena. Chants the holy name of the Lord, travels all everywhere in spiritual world and material world also. That's the chief meaning of Nam, but they interpret it that way. You understand? So, we have this question of bona fide disciplic successor. Bona fide acharya parampara. The bona fide acharyas have said, interpreted that we accept. So, Anuman Praman is no Praman. Then comes Aitya, historical evidence. Material historians are there. They have recorded some history. And people accept, yes, in history says this thing. You understand? Which is material history. Material person means 4 defects. Brahma, Pramada, Vipralipsa, Karana, Padava. Some set of historian, they recorded this civilization, if this place belonged to 300 BC. From our research, we can understand. Another set of historian came, there is made research. So, no. The civilization of this place is 200 AD. Then what is true, correct? It differs. It differs. Then how can I put faith in it? Do you understand me? Aitya, historical evidence. Then Pratyaksha Pramana, direct sense perception. Pratyaksha. I am an eyewitness. I have seen with my own eyes. Can I disbelieve my eye? Can I disbelieve my eye? They say, I am an eyewitness. I have seen with my eyes. Are Baba, what you have seen is imperfect. Because you are a conditioned soul, your senses are imperfect. What you have seen is not perfect. But they have this motto, seeing is believing. Seeing is believing. If I see, then I believe, yes, God is there. If I can't see, I won't believe, no God. Isn't it? How can you see? Conditioned soul, you have 4 defects. Your senses are defective. Take the example of the eye. What you see is correct. You are sitting in a fast-moving train. Train moves very swiftly. Look at the tree standing beside the rail. What do you see? What do you see, Baba? What do you see? You don't know. Have you never traveled in a train? Forgot. Forgot. What do you see? The trees are very swiftly running backward. Yes, isn't it? Then how do you see? The trees are running very quickly backward. I am sitting still. I am not moving. I am sitting still. So is it correct? Seeing is believing. What I see, I will believe. Nonsense. You should understand. I am a conditioned soul. I have 4 defects. My senses are defective. What I see is not perfect. Yes, the defect is there. So, real vision. Do you understand? Because vision is free from defect. It's vision of sadhu. Do you understand? Mahadan. Clear vision. What he sees, he sees. What he says, put faith in it. You should admit this. Yes, I am blind. In this respect, I am blind. I have no vision to see the Lord. You should be eager, very eager. How to get back my vision? How can I get that vision that I can see the Lord? Really, you should admit. These people don't admit. They never admit that we are blind. We see. We'll see. Do you understand? So, Anumana, Aitya, Pratyaksha. Then comes Shruti Pramana. Vedic proof. Pramanera madhye Shruti Pramana Pradhana. Pramanera madhye Shruti Pramana Pradhana. Out of all types of proofs, Vedic proof is chief proof. Again, Shruti je mukhya artha ko hai, sahi se pramana. What is chief meaning? Interpreted by bona fide acharyas. That is chief meaning should be accepted, not secondary ones. Pramanya hoy hani. Then that will not prove. Other three types of proofs, if they will be corroborated or supported by Shruti Pramana, then we'll put faith in it. Otherwise, we won't faith. We won't rely on it. Anavastha. We don't rely. We should not rely. Srimad Bhagavatam says this thing. Then I said that danger is there. Lakshana Vyanjana, Mukhyartha Gaunartha. We accept Mukhyartha. We reject Gaunartha. Do you understand? So those are bona fide acharyas coming in bona fide disciplic successor. What they have interpreted, we accept it and believe in, put faith. Do you understand? We never follow this Gana vote. Majority accept this thing. No, they are fools. They are fools. Do you understand? This is not applicable in this spiritual sphere. Understood? All right, thank you.
Well, right now we're gonna have a minutes back.
It's a very deep discourse, philosophically very deep. I think most those who are not so deep understanding, they might not have understood. Please excuse me. What shall I do? Clear? Very nice, thank you. Krishna helped you in understanding. Mahaprabhu helped you. You were really eager to understand. Yes, I say, Mahaprabhu helped Krishna. Anyhow, it came out. My guru and Gauranga prompted me. What shall I do? I don't know. I don't know. May you have the blessings of my guru and Gauranga. Thank you very much.